Dr. R. Jayaprakash. Today I am going to talk to you about the goodness of moderating alcohol. Doctors tell you not to drink, but if you drink, the doctor must also give information on how to drink safely, and I am going to do just that. Let me start with some information. Any substance in nature can enter the body cell through a chemically active transport mechanism. But evolution has ensured that two substances can freely enter every cell without any transport mechanism, that is, alcohol and water. So, is it trying to tell us something? Long before modern history, India, China, and Egypt have recorded intake of alcohol. When alcohol is taken in moderation, it usually does not cause any mishaps. So now it has become defined by law. The legal limit for intoxication or drunkenness in India is 0.03% and in US it is 0.08% as defined by the breath analyzer test. Why is this? One peg of alcohol is 30 ml. With two pegs, that is 60 ml of hard liquor, the blood alcohol level is 0.02% and it causes relaxation and mild loss of judgment. At 3 pegs or 90 ml, it is 0.5% and causes impaired judgment, exaggerated behavior and low alertness. This causes problems in coordination, in driving, steering and inability to track objects on the road. At 4 pegs, that is 120 ml or what we in India we call as a quarter, it is 0.08% and this level there is poor muscle response, decreased concentration and impaired speed control and loss of self-control. More than this amount can cause slurring in speech, slow thinking and drowsiness. At this level, the later part of your sleep gets altered and a person may wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning. When a person is totally drunk, the body sets in motion events that cause self-protection. It can reject alcohol and vomit it out or sleep so that alcohol intake stops. When really excessive, a person can stop breathing. But just before this happens, nature ensures that he loses consciousness and falls down. This is a pure survival event. When fallen, the blood from the leg rushes to the brain and keeps him alive. It is such a person who is found on the roadside or on the floor. But it is bad luck if he has fallen face up and chokes on his own vomit. So why reach this level? The Mayo Clinic says that alcohol in moderation could reduce heart disease and brain strokes. But taking more is bad. So what is more? The NHS of Britain has recently defined the safe limit of alcohol that a person can take. It is 14 units of alcohol per week spread over 3 or more sessions. But this technical jargon does not make any sense to the common man. So let me explain. This 14 units of alcohol equals either 6 bottles of lager beer or 5 small 175 ml of red wine or 3 large 60 ml pegs of 40% whiskey or other hard drinks. But all this is spread over one whole week. Some tolerate high levels of alcohol because they are genetically advantaged, or they may have more water in the muscle mass or excrete alcohol faster than others. But even this does not offer protection for regular users. As fibroscans have revealed that even a small amount of alcohol can stiffen your liver. Alcohol is not to be touched in pregnancy, with history of brain bleeds, liver disease, pancreas disease, severe heart failure, family history of alcohol addiction, and those on medicines that interact with this alcohol. The only proven good thing about alcohol is this saying: alcohol may not be the answer, but it sure helps you to forget the question. It offers a temporary peace of mind. Thank you.